children, today we are going to see Standard 11 General Mathematics exercise 2.5. Here we are going to see about the quadratic inequalities. Here we are going to see about the quadratic inequalities. The exercise 2.5. Good morning children, today we are going to see Standard 11 General Mathematics exercise 2.5. In here we are going to see about the quadratic inequalities. Today we are going to see about the quadratic inequality. That will be exercise 2.5. So let's see what is the question given for? What is the question given here? Solve 2x square plus x minus 15 lesser than or equal to 0. So this question studied about the sum and product lesson here. So if you are multiplying 2 into this one, you are getting minus 30 because 2 15s are 30 plus into minus here. Then so what is the middle value here? That will be taking coefficient of x. So what is the value? That will be 1. So here we are going to multiply this one 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. Here I am applying minus here because plus into minus 6 5s are 30, so minus 30 will be given here. 6 minus 5, that will be 1. So if you are putting minus here we are having bigger number sign because here 1 will be the plus. That's why we are putting like this. So what is the coefficient of x square value? That will be 2. So you have to write like this, divided by 2x. Here it's also divided by 2x. Now you have to cancel this one. So now you have to write like this. What is the denominator? Denominator plus numerator x plus 3, here 2x minus 5 lesser than or equal to 0 here. So what is the coefficient of x square value? What is the coefficient of x square value? That will be 2. You have to write like this, x plus 3, here 2x you have to, because we are going to cancel this one. If you are multiply and divided by 2 means you are getting here divided by 2 means x minus, because taking commonly from the equation, because these two will be taken commonly from the equation. So now we are going with the inner problem, that will be 2. Here you are getting x, because 2 will be goes outside, it will be taken as x. Here they were divided by 2 like this one. So 2x minus 5, I am taking 2 in this equation. So you have to divided by 2, that will be divided by, you have to cancel this one, then you are getting x minus 5 by 2 is a solution. So same procedure we are using here, they are lesser than or equal to 0. So what is the value we are getting here? 2x plus 3, x minus 5 by 2 lesser than or equal to 0. Now I am going to using this one. What is the 2 is equal to 0? That will be same as usual, be 0. So now I am taking this one, x plus 3 is equal to 0 means we are getting x minus 3. What is the value? X minus 3. Here we are comparing with 0 means x by 5 by 2 equal to, that will be x is equal to 5 by 2. So what is the value here? X is equal to, what is the interval here? That is minus 3 comma 5 by 2. So here we will be having the critical point. What is we are having here? That will be, you have to write like this. What is the critical point here? The critical point, that is minus 3 comma 5 by 2. Then we are going to apply this quadratic inequality. How to find out the quadratic inequality? First draw the number line and mark the critical point. Draw the number line and mark the critical point. So now listen here, draw the line and mark the critical point. So how to draw the line here? So listen here, first to draw the line. Here we are having minus infinity, here itself we are having plus infinity. So what is the interval here? That will be minus 3, then 5 by 2, here plus infinity here. So what is the value here? This one is a critical point here. Now we are going to write like this. Now we are taking interval with minus infinity comma minus 3, then here minus 3 comma 5 by 2, then comparing 5 by 2 to 5 by 2 comma infinity. These are the intervals here. Now we are going to positive interval. This one is a possible interval. This one is a possible intervals. Now we are going to draw the tabular form. We are going to draw the tabular form using these intervals. How to solve it? How to solve the inequality? So listen here. So first we are drawn here graph. Next we are going to draw the tabular form. This one like this. Here, what is the question given here? This one, first one is an interval. First one is a interval. So what is the interval we are getting here? Minus, that is, then the next interval minus 3 comma 5 by 2, then third one 5 by 2 comma infinity. So these three intervals are given here. Now we are going to take the x value. So because what is the question given in there? What is the questions are getting the values here? That will be sine of x plus 3, and here sine of, so next value, what is the next factor here? That will be x minus 5 by 2, x minus 5 by 2, then third one sine of 2x square plus x minus 15. 2x square plus x minus 15. So here we are going to take the x value means, here what is the intervals here? That will be minus infinity comma minus 3. Now I am taking whatever in between value you have to take. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, whatever it will be you have to take like this. So I am taking minus 4 means here I am going to substitute this one. Here I am going to substitute the minus 4. I am getting only minus 1. Here x plus 3, x is equal to minus 4, substituting me. Here minus 4 plus 3, I am getting minus 1. What? Just we are taking only symbols here because I am writing here sign only. Just we are going to take the sign. What is the sign getting here? That will be minus. So here we are going to apply this one. X minus 5 by 2 means, here what is the value? The minus 4. So minus 4 I am applying here. 4 into, so minus 8, minus 5, that will be, here also we are getting the same minus sign only. So here next one. So minus 4 I am going to apply here. What is the value getting here? 2 into minus 4 square plus minus 4 minus 15 here. Here 2 into, that will be 16, minus 4 minus 15, that will be 32. Here we are getting just 19. So what is our, here we are getting only positive sign here. So here we are getting only positive value. So this one is first one positive. So next one we are going to apply. What is the interval value here? That will be minus 3 comma 5 by 2. I am taking like minus 3 means I am taking just 0. 0 itself also it will be easiest one, just taking a 0. So because interval is positive value, it will be easy to solve. This one we are getting positive value. Here we are getting negative value. Then here also we are getting 2 square, that will be 0 cancel. Here it's also cancel. Here we are getting minus value. So what is the next interval here? 5 comma minus infinity. 5 comma minus infinity. Here we are going to take the x is equal to 3. So because 5 by 2, that will be 2.5. What is the value here? 5 by 2, that will be 2.5. Here we are going to take x is equal to 3 means 3 plus 3, 6, that will be positive value. Here 3 means 2, 3, 6, 6 minus 5, 1 by 2, that will be here it's also positive. Here itself 2 square, 3 square means 9, 9 to 18, 18 plus here means 20, 22 minus 8. Here we are getting positive value. So here table So what is the condition here? Inequality only we are going to take. So listen, what is the table here? Prepared here. In this table only we are getting minus 0. So in this table only we are getting minus 0. First, what is the third table here? So plus, here is also plus. Here only we are getting minus 0. What is the interval here? Minus 3 comma 5 by 2. What is the interval here? Where is the inequality satisfied? Inequality satisfied only in minus 3 comma 5 interval. Because here itself only the inequality means that will be minus. Inequality means that will be minus. So sign of minus only satisfied. The inequality satisfied only in minus 3 comma 5 by 2 interval. These interval only it will be satisfied. Now what is the solution set? You have to write the solution set, that will be minus 3 comma 5 by 2. So here itself we have proved the inequality here. Okay. So in the next sum, the second sum will be homework for you. Second sum is a homework for you. So let's see the 2.6 exercise. Let's move on to the marks. Same procedure you have to follow. In this sum, whatever procedure you are following here, same procedure you have to follow for the second sum also. Okay, exercise 2.5, second sum. That will be homework for you. Okay, so let's see the let's move on to the 2.6 exercise. So what is the exercise concept here? That will be polynomial functions. So what is the chapter here? That will be polynomial function. So we have understood about the linear function, quadratic function. Now we shall generalize these ideas. We call an expression of form an x power of n plus an minus 1 x power of n plus 1 plus up to plus a naught is called a polynomial in the variable x. The ai belongs to or I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n. So n is a non-negative integer. N is a non-negative integer. Here we are only one may substitute specific values of x. X is equal to c. Obtain a power of n, c power of n, a power of n minus 1, c power of n minus 1 plus up to a1 c plus a naught. They are function of the form p of x equal to a power of n x power of n plus a power of n minus 1 x power of n minus 1 plus up to plus a naught is called the polynomial function, which is defined from R to R, relation to relation. Here we are going to apply this one. So what is the question given here? Find the exercise 2.6. Find the zeros of the polynomial function. Find the zeros of the polynomial function. Zeros of the polynomial function. So what is the question given here? That will be function means we have already assumed like this. F of x equal to 4x square minus 25. So zeros of polynomial means it will be simple one. 4x square 25 equal to you have to equate it with 0 because f of x here equal to 0. So here we are going to apply like this. 4x square minus 25 will be goes this side, will be plus 25 x square. So it will be divided 25 divided by 4. This square will be goes that side, it will be changes into root. Root of 25 divided by 4 means you have to write like this, x square. So what is the root value here? That one. This one is the root of 25 means that will be 5. Root of 4 means that will be 5 by 2. What is the value getting here? 5 by 2. Root means you have to write like this, plus or minus. I already told you. So root means you have to write like a plus or minus. Here we are getting. So what is the value we are getting here? 1 plus value, 1 minus value. So here 5 by 2, 1 plus value and 5 by 2 minus value, or zeros of f of x. Zeros of x. I'm putting 0 here. What is the value getting for polynomial function here? Find zeros here. That will be minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2 value. Yes. So let's see the second question. So what is the question given? Let's read the second question. If x is equal to minus 2 is one root. X is equal to minus 2 is one root. Of x square minus x cube. Sorry, x cube minus x square minus 17x equal to 22. Minus 17x equal to 22. Then find the other root of the equation. So in this sum we are going to apply the synthetic division. So first we are going to prepare like a synthetic division. Minus 22 will be goes to the side. It will be changes into plus 22 will be goes to the side. It will be minus 22. So now write the x cube minus x square minus 17x minus 22 equal to 0. So now we are going to write like this: x cube minus x square minus 17x minus 22 equal to 0. Now we are using the synthetic division method. So what is the question here? X is equal to minus 2. What is the question given here? X is equal to minus 2 is a one root. Now we are going to using that root. So we are going to find out the another root. What is the coefficient of x cube value? That will be 1. Coefficient of x square value minus 1. Here coefficient of minus x value, that will be minus 17. Here minus 22. So here question given here. What is the x is equal to first root here? That will be minus 2. So always we are putting 0 here. Always we are putting 0 here. I think you didn't study about the synthetic division in 10th standard, because this amateur syllabus it will be not here, not in fact this synthetic division is not in your syllabus, I think so. So let's see how to solve this one. So let's take the here, listen here, this equation here we are having a cube. So in this equation, suppose you are having like this, means you are using the sum and product method. Okay. Here we are having x cube. So x cube it will be comes in this in equation. We are using the synthetic division. Okay. So here always we are using 0 here. So always you are putting 0 only. So whatever here given 1 root here, or else you have to write you have to take minus 1 or plus 1 or minus 2 or plus 2 or the roots for solving the synthetic division. So let's see that we are getting now. Here 1 into, we are going to multiply this one. 1 into minus 2, we are getting minus 2. This is the procedure. This one is this in vertical side we are using addition or subtraction method. In this inclined side we are using the multiplication method. What is the method here? That will be multiplication method. 1 into minus 2, that will be minus 2. Here minus 1 minus 2 you are getting minus 3. Here minus 3 into the 3, minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. Here minus 17 plus 6, that will be minus 11. So here minus into minus plus 11 2s are 20. So here plus 22 and minus 2 will be cancel, you are getting 0 here. Then what is the value remaining? 1 minus 3 minus 11. Let's we have to write like this variable x square minus 3x plus 11 equal to 0. In this method we are using the sum and product method. It will be possible. First we have to check the sum and product method. What is the value here? 11 here minus 3. It will be possible because 11 is a prime number. 11 into 1 11. So it is not possible. It is not possible. So in this type of sums it is not possible means now we are using this quadratic formula. So what is the quadratic formula? We already studied, I think so. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2b. So last year you have studied in 10th standard this formula. So let's see the what is the equation here. That will be x square minus 3x plus 11. So here we are taking coefficient of x square, that will be 1. Coefficient of x means that will be minus 3. So here c is equal to 11. What is the value here? C is equal to 11. Now we are going to substitute in this quadratic equation. What is the value getting here? Minus 3 minus 3, that will be plus 3 plus or minus here minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into what is the here value 1. So again c value that will be 11 divided by 2 into what is the here value, that will be 1. So here we are getting 3 plus or minus root of minus 3 square, that will be plus 9. So 4 into 11 that will be 44 divided by 2. Then 3 plus or minus. So subtraction of 44 minus 9. What is the value getting here? The 4, 5, 35 divided by 2. 30 minus 35 divided by 2. So then, so here we are getting. So one little bit correction here. Here we are having minus 11. Here we are having minus 11. Here it's also you have to substitute like a minus 11 here. Then we are getting plus 44 because minus into minus plus 44. Then we are getting, so what is the value here? 44 plus 9, that will be 650. What is it getting here? 3 plus or minus root of 53 by 2. So root of 53 is no need to find out this one. You have to write like this. What is another root here? What is the another root here? We are getting 1 plus 2 and another one is a minus root here. How to write the other roots are? So the other roots are, this is equal to 3 plus root 53 divided by 2, 1. Then 3 minus 53 divided by 2. So the first two question are given in the x is equal to 2 minus 2 here. So the other roots are 3 plus root 53 because we are having here plus or minus. One value will be taken into plus, other value will be taken into minus. So let's see the third question. So third question, what is the third question given in your textbook? What is the question? Will be find the real roots of x power 4 equal to 16. Find the real roots of x power 4 equal to 16. So here we are going to be using this one. So what is the procedure here? X power 4 equal to 16 means 16 will be goes to this side. You have to write x power 4 minus 16 equal to 0. X power 4 minus 16 equal to 0. Then you have to write like this: x square power of square minus 4 square equal to 0. So minus 4 square equal to 0. Now we are going to be using this formula. What is the formula? A square minus b square formula. A square minus b square formula. That is a plus b into a minus b. So write like this: a plus b minus a minus b. So this one is a a value. This one is a b value. Now I am going to write like this: x square plus 4, x square minus 4 equal to 0. X square plus 4, x square minus 4 equal to 0. Here itself we are getting the value that will be x is equal to x square plus 4 equal to 0 means you are getting x is equal to minus 4 square minus 4 equal to 0 here. So this square will be goes outside means root of minus 4 in root and we are having negative sign here. In root we are having negative sign here. We have to write like this: I. In root the one negative sign will be came in this equation. You have to write the I depends upon a imaginary equation. I depends upon imaginary roots. What is the root here? Imaginary roots. So here we are going right now. What is the root? Okay, I power I2. So you have to write like this 2i. Then here x is equal to plus 4, x is equal to plus r minus 2. So here we are getting x equal to plus r minus 2. What is the condition here? So first one will be the x square equal to plus r minus 2. That is as usual. Here we are x is equal to getting the 2i is a imaginary part. So now we are having means the other roots are you have to write like the what is the question I am asking here? Find the real roots. Find the real roots. What is the real value here? This one is a real value. This one is a imaginary value. So because question they are asking only find the real roots. So real means I denoted by imaginary roots. I denoted by imaginary roots, and normal value will be called like a real. So we have the other roots are the other roots of equation. So the other roots of equation what? The complex numbers. What is this? Complex numbers. That's all. Okay. So understood, children. Let's see the fourth question. So what is the question here? This fourth question also you are using the same formula. Same this a square minus b square formula only. So what is the question given? That is solve 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 the whole square minus 3x plus 2 the whole square. Minus 3x plus 2 the whole square equal to 0. So we are using same formula here. Listen. So this one is a value, this one is a b value. Now I am going to apply this one 2x plus 1 plus 3x plus 2. This is a plus b formula. Next a minus b formula 2x plus 1 minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So here we are getting 3x plus 2x plus 3x, that will be are getting 5x, 1 plus 2 here 3. So then here 2x will minus x plus 3 equal to 0. So minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. Now we are equating with 0 means what is the value we are getting here? Now equating with 0 means we are getting 5x plus 3 equal to 0 here. 5x equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 by 5. So what is the value here? X equal to minus 3 by 5. Here then minus x plus 3 equal to 0 means minus x minus 3 minus cancel, x is equal to the value will be 3. So what is the value here? Minus 3 comma 5. So one more thing here, one little bit correction here. So here itself we are using this one. This one is also, it will be minus here. So this one is also minus here. Then we are getting here 1. So here itself we are getting, that is 1. Here itself we are getting x is equal to 1 by what is the interval value? So because we are taking this one b value means it will be minus will be multiplied here. Multiplied into both the functions. Multiplied into both the functions here. So a little bit correction here. Okay. Then minus into plus, that will be minus 3x, minus into plus, that will be minus 2 here. We are getting x is equal to 1. So what is the interval getting here? The solution sets of that is minus 3 comma 5 comma plus 1. So whenever you are writing the solution set, first you have to write like the minus value, then you have to write like the plus value. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to see the exercise 2.7. So 2.7 is also using same formulas only. It will be also easiest formula. here. Exercise 2.7. First question. Factorize x power 4 plus 1. Factorize x power 4 plus 1. Hint that will be try completing the square. Try completing the square. So we'll take this one. So what is the x power 4 plus 1 equal to x power 4 plus 1. Now we have to write like this. Try the completing square. That means you have to write like x square power square plus here itself you have to write like the 1 square. What is 1 square? Here we are going to apply a plus b formula. A plus b formula. That will be a square plus b square formula. That will be a plus b the whole square minus 2a. What is the formula here? For a square plus b square. In last sum we see the a square minus b square formula. Here we have seen the a square plus b square formula equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Then you have to write what is the a value? This one is x square. This one is the b value. So b value you have to write like this. Substitute this one. So what is the value? X square plus 1 the whole square minus 2 into x square into 1. So here we are writing x square plus 1 the whole square minus 2x square. So what is the value getting here? X square plus 1 the whole square minus 2 square. Now we are applying this formula. A square minus b square formula. What is the value of a plus b? A minus b. Here it looks like a plus b minus a square minus b square format. It looks like a square minus b square format. Now we are write like this. X square plus 1 the whole square minus root 2 whole square. We are writing root 2x whole square. It is also same procedure only. So here, then listen here. Now applying this one. So x square plus 1. So what is the a value here? This one x square plus 1. What is the b value here? Plus root x the whole square. Root x here root x. Then so here we are. First we have to write like this. This one is a value. This one is a b value. Then x square plus 1 minus root 2x minus root 2x. Now we are writing like this. X square plus root 2x plus 1 2. Then again x square minus root 2x. You have to write like in order. Okay. So these two variables are getting here. That one is the answer for this question. Okay. So answer for this one. So you have to stop this one. That's enough. Okay. Let's see the second question. What is the second question here? If x square plus x plus 1, if x square plus x plus 1 is a factor of a polynomial 3x cube plus 8x square plus 8x plus a, then the value of a. Then find the value of a. So what is the factor here? X square plus x plus 1. What is the polynomial here? That will be this polynomial only. We have to take like a function here. So what is the one here? 3x cube plus 8x square plus 8x plus a. Then find the value of a. So in this question we are using the division method, that will be GCD method. So what is another equation here? What is another factor here? X square plus x plus 1 is a factor. What is the factor here? X square plus x plus 1 is a factor. Now we are using the division method. What is the factor value? That is x square plus x plus 1. What is the polynomial function here? 3x cube. So this one is it looks like GCD format. Now we are going to using the GCD format here. So here we are having x square. Here we are having only x cube. Here we are way beyond. Here we are having 1 value. Here we are having 3 value. So now 1 3s are only 3. Now we are going to apply 3. So here we are having x square. But here we are having x cube. So what is the pending one? 1x will be pending. Right like this x1. Okay. So now we are going to multiply this one. So x square into, that will be 1 into 3 3. Then x square into x means you are getting x cube. What is the value getting here? X cube minus. So then we are applying, multiply both these one. X into x. Sorry, 1 3s are 3. X into x, that will be x square. So then here 1 into that will be, you are getting 3x only. So now I am going to change the sign. Subtracting here this one plus 3x cube and minus 3x will cancel. 8x square minus 3x square you are getting, that will be 5x square here. 8x minus 3x square you are getting plus, that will be plus 5x plus a is a constant. Next you are going to multiply into this one. What is the value here? What is the sign here? What is the starting sign? That will be plus. You have to put sign plus here. If you are having minus in here, you have to put minus here. Okay. What is the value? 5x square. Here x square will be fulfilled. So this variable will be fulfilled. What is the remainder? What is 5 here? So now I am putting just 5 here. So 1 5s are 5. X square, that will be same concept. We have to write x square. Then x into 5, that is plus 5x here sign having plus only. Then here my plus into plus here. 1 into 5, that is 5. Now I am going to change the sign. So here 5x square and plus 5x square, 5x minus 5x will cancel. What is the value there? A minus 5. What is the value getting here? A minus 5. I am going to equating with 0. So now I am going to equating with 0. What is the a value? Because question they are asking what is the, find the a value. So now I am going to equating this a minus 5, that will be a is equal to 5. So what? This question. So okay, it will be easiest one. Okay. Let's see the exercise 2.8. Let's see exercise 2.8. It will be moreover equal to exercise 2.5. So exercise 2.5 we are using the table here. In this exercise also we are using the same table procedure only, because this one is a rational function. So what is this one? Rational function. So the numerator will be p of x, denominator will be q of x. So equal to. So let's see the page number 68 here. What is the condition given for rational function? Let's see the 68 page number 68. Rational expression of x defined as the ratios of two polynomials, that will be p of x, q of x, where q of x not equal to 0 because denominator will be not equal to 0. Example of rational expression 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1. So then the degrees of numerator p of x is equal to or larger than the denominator. So then we can write the p of x equal to f of x, q of x plus r of x, where r of x equal to 0 or the degree of r of x is less than the q of x. What is the condition here? The degree of r of x is less than the q of x. So now we are going to write like this: p of x divided by q of x equal to f of x plus r of x divided by q of x. So let's see the exercise first sum. What is the question here? Like exercise 2.8. So what is the exercise we are going to solve here? Exercise 2.8. What is the question given here? Find the value of, first question, find the value of, find all values of, find all values of x for which x cube into x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 greater than 0. So now we are going to write like this. So find all the values of x for which. So first we have to equate this one. X cube, what is it here? 0. Then x minus 1 equal to 0. Then x minus 2 equal to 0. What is it? X cube for x taking this one 0. Then x minus 1 taking this is 0. Then x minus 2 equal to 0. So now x is equal to this one is 0. Here we are getting x is equal to plus 1. Here we are getting x is equal to plus 2. So what is the value you are getting here? X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. Now we are draw the, so here we are get the critical points. Now we are going to draw the, so minus infinity plus infinity. What is the values of critical points are getting here? That will be 0, 1 and 2. So now we have to take in the intervals. Now we are going to take in the intervals. So how to take the intervals? So same procedure we are going to follow here. Minus infinity comma 0, then 0 comma 1, the next 1 comma 2, the next interval will be 2 comma infinity. So what is the intervals here? Minus, this one is a intervals. Minus infinity comma 0, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma infinity. Now we are going to draw the tabular column. We are going to draw the tabular column here. So same procedure, sign of formula only. So we are using this one. This one first we are going to get an interval. So what is the first interval here? That will be minus infinity comma 0. So first interval is that is minus infinity comma 0. This one is a very important exercise. Will be asking me 5 marks. So now I am taking x is equal to plus 1. No, you have to first take the minus 1. So because it will be 0 to minus infinity, only we are taking minus sign here. Then what is the next interval here? 0 comma 1. Here we are taking 0 comma 1. It is be possible to interval taking this one. So we are taking x is equal to 0.5, that is 1 by 2. The next procedure, what is the interval here? 1 comma 2. So here x is equal to, what is the x value here? Now I am taking this one. That is 1 by 2 means 1 comma 2 you are getting 1.5. 1.5 means x is equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. The next interval 2 to infinity. Here itself you have to take any value more than 2. So I am taking just 3. So what is the sign of values here? The first sign of values of question this one, that will be x cube. First sign of this one, x cube. The second sign of value. The second sign of value, what is the question? That will be x minus. And third sign of x minus 2. The total sign of value that is sign of x cube into x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. So these are the sign of values here. So yes, the same procedure we are going to follow in here. Whatever procedure you are following in 2.6, here itself focus using the same procedure. Just you have to write like this, sign only. So what is the minus 1 means? Here you are applying minus 2, you are getting minus. So here minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 1, that will be minus 2. Minus gets also minus. Then I am going to substitute here minus 1. So what is the value here? Minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Here x minus 2, that will be minus 1, minus 2. So here itself you are getting minus 1 into here minus 3, here minus 2. So minus minus plus, that will be here, we will also minus here. So getting that minus here. So next one, here 1 by 2. I am going to apply this one 1 by 2 in plus value. So here we are going to apply this one 1 by 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 by 2, that will be minus 1 by 2. So getting minus here. Here it's also minus 2, we are getting minus. Here we are getting the plus. You have to solve like that. So then what is the value? 3 by 2. Here also 3 by 2, that will be plus. Here 3 by 2 means 2 will be goes upside, will be comes with the plus sign. So here itself 2 means you are getting minus. So because 3 by 2 minus 2 means 2 into 4, 3 minus 4, that will be you are getting minus sign. Then final one, x cube of x minus 1, you are getting That is, what is the sign getting here? That is also same procedure. 3 by 2 the whole cube minus, 3 by 2 minus 1 divided by 3 by 2 minus 2. Here we are getting, that is 9 by 3 cube means 27 divided by 8. 3 will be plus value here. 1 by 2 getting here. Here we are having minus means 3 by 2 minus 2. So 3 minus 4, that will be minus 1 by 2. So what is sign getting there? That will be minus. Here itself we have to get the minus, that will be minus. So here 3 means plus sign. Here also plus sign. Here it's also plus sign. Here itself also plus sign. So what is the question asking here? Find all the values of x. Find all the values of x. So this is the procedure for making tabular column. Understood, children? The next we are going to write the conditions here. What is the conditions we are going to write? Given inequality satisfied only in wherever. Inequality. Inequality means only negative values. What is mean by inequality? That is negative sign. In this question they are asking find all values of x for which. So the given inequality is satisfied by, here we are getting plus sign here. Here we are also getting the plus sign. So what is the, in this exercise we are taking only in the positive signs. What is this one? Positive sign, positive intervals only. In that exercise we taken negative sign or the inequality intervals, because satisfy only in the intervals in the negative sign. Here we are taking this one. Here we are taking positive sign. Difference between quadratic. This is the difference between quadratic inequality and rational functions. So rational function means you are taking the inequality means that will be positive value. Which one is a positive value? This one is a positive interval, that will be 0, 1. The intervals are, here itself we are having 2, infinity. The intervals are, so I write like this. So what is the procedure we are going to the given equality, the given inequality x cube x minus 1 divided by x minus 2, that will be greater than 0. So condition here, greater than 0. What values are getting here for greater than 0? So that's all satisfied in the equation. That is only satisfied in by greater than 0 means you have to take like this positive values. In this rational function, what is the condition here? Greater than 0. These values are the comes like a greater than 0. What is the limit? 0, 1, that will be only you are getting x is equal to 1 by 2. It will be also positive value. So positive value only you have to write a greater than 0. So then our next one is that will be x is equal to 3. 3 is also here greater than 0 means you have to take this positive values. Okay, if they are giving lesser than 0. In this same question they are asking lesser than 0 means you have to take these two intervals. The first one and the second one are taking these two intervals for the satisfied function. What is the limit? What is the intervals here? That will be 0, 1 and 2, infinity are intervals. So the solution sets are 0, 1 union 2, infinity. 0, 1 union 2, infinity. So in remaining two sums of homework for you, or I am telling the procedure how to solve the question. So let's see the second question. Find all the values of the x that satisfies the inequality. Second question, listen, lesser than 0. So lesser than 0 means you have to take the minus intervals. So whatever minus you are getting in the final term, you have to take this one as a interval. Okay. So then again third one also you have to take in the same interval type only. That will be of taking minus intervals only. Okay. Here it's also given in the lesser than or equal to 0 means you have to take the only minus intervals. Okay. So remaining two sums of homework for you. So next class we are going to see that exercise 2.9, that will be partial fraction. Very interesting exercise. Okay. Thank you children.